Have you ever watched the markets make a major move and wondered, how could I have seen that coming? Well, you're not alone. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you an indicator that has helped me get the best possible entries to catch those big moves. What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Fiverr's YouTube channel. Here we aim to help you become consistently profitable and get funded so that you can achieve your trading goals and your dreams. Today we have an exciting video for you guys. I'm gonna show you an indicator that has really helped me improve my trading system. It's the Stochastic RSI. But before we dive into the charts and look at some trade examples on how to use the indicator, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And remember, we also have the live trading room that runs every Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday at 8 AM Eastern time right here on YouTube. And you know what? We actually give away free accounts in all the live streams. So join us, learn how to trade, get accounts and have your chance to get funded for real. First of all, what we want to do is we want to add the actual indicators. So what you do here in TradingView, you go up here and you press indicators and you type in STOCH and you'll get the first one. It says Stochastic RSI right here. Add that one and you'll see that this pops up at the bottom, and we want to change some settings for this one. So we press the cogwheel right here, press settings, go into settings, and we want to change style, and we want to look at the upper band. We want to change that to 70, and then the lower band we want to change that to 30, and we're going to be removing the middle band, and we're also going to remove the background. And I like to have the upper and lower band as lines and not dashed lines. So I'm going to change that. Just like with other indicators, the Stochastic RSI works great in combination with other indicators and techniques, and the trading system that I'm using is based on the break and retest idea, or the break and retest concept. And what I use is whenever I have that break and then the retest, I try to make sure that the Stochastic RSI is always confluent with the retest of that breakout level. So I'm going to show you exactly how that looks by looking at a couple of trade examples here. Now obviously with the break and retest strategy, you obviously have to first identify a level that has to break, and here you have a decent horizontal level on your USD. Now what I'm looking for is a clean break to the downside and then a retest of this level, and then the Stochastic RSI is going to be confluent with the retest of the level. So here you have a clean level. It's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I'd say that's a fake out, and then on the 5th time that's the real breakout, or the break to the downside. See price breaking down, and now what I'm looking for at this level is just a rejection. I want price to just get rejected at that level, and I want Stochastic RSI, so this is a short setup, and I want Stochastic RSI to be above 70 when going short. Now preferably, a very good thing you can watch for here for confirmation is a bearish engulfing candle. This is when going short, and obviously a bullish engulfing candle when going long. So let's see if we might get a bearish engulfing candle, and when we do get that rejection at the level, let's take a closer look at the Stochastic RSI to see how that looks. So price is now coming up to the level, and there we have a bearish engulfing candle, and I would say that this is now a good looking rejection. And we look at the Stochastic RSI, you can see right here the Stochastic RSI is above 70, and that's great. But there's one more thing we want to make sure that we see from the Stochastic RSI, and that is a bear cross. And this basically means that the blue line right here needs to cross below the orange line to confirm a bear cross. So if we have the rejection, bearish engulfing candle at the level, and a bear cross above 70 on Stochastic RSI, this is when we want to enter a position. Let's look at the next candle. The next candle, actually the close of this candle, will confirm a bear cross on the Stochastic RSI. And there you have it. You have a nice rejection right here on the level. You have a bearish engulfing candle right here, and you have a top in the Stochastic RSI. Nice top formation here with a bear cross above 70 on Stochastic RSI. Let's look at another example here. So here's Euro NCD on the 4-hour. We have that good looking bullish engulfing candle right here. Let's mark that out. A good looking bullish engulfing candle. Now let's see what the Stochastic RSI is doing, and as you can see right here, it's a pretty good good bottom formation here on the Stochastic RSI, and on that 4-hour bullish engulfing candle closing, you have a bull cross on the Stochastic RSI as well. Now let's look at this one. That's also a bullish engulfing candle down at the support level. Looks good. Let's look at the Stochastic RSI. On the close of that bullish engulfing candle, you have a bull cross on Stochastic RSI below 70, and it's forming a nice bottom right here. I wanted to show you something else. Okay, so let's assume that you're looking at this and you want to take a trade here on Euro NCD on this pair right here. You want to make sure that you're waiting for some confirmation. You know, I'm gonna buy when price, you know, goes above here. So when price kind of ticks above, that's when I want to be buying, because I feel like that's better confirmation. So let's assume you're looking at this bottom formation, looks pretty good, and I'm gonna be buying once you have a candle close above that level. So I'm gonna be buying on that candle. Looks pretty strong, right? Now let's look at the Stochastic RSI. On that candle, you have the Stochastic RSI giving you a bear cross, and the result is this. So the problem here is, well, actually this is a good example of two entry triggers using a bullish engulfing candle plus a Stochastic RSI, where you could have gotten a pretty good entry, and also one example where using the Stochastic RSI would have saved you from a loss. As you've seen, using the Stochastic RSI in your trading system is quite simple, but like I always say, simplicity is the key to trading success. What I want you to do is to give this a try yourself. Despite its simplicity, it's actually quite effective and can easily improve your trading system. So here's what you need to do. I want you to go through your trading journal and review your last 10 trades and look specifically at where the Stochastic RSI was positioned at the time of entry. Now you might find that some of your losing trades might be long positions where you didn't enter when the Stochastic RSI was below 30, or you may notice that with some of your winning trades, it happened to align with the Stochastic RSI signals. And that's how I refine my own trading system. And if you're interested in the more detailed breakdown of how I develop my trading system and how you can create your own using this process, make sure you join the live trading room here on YouTube every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 8 a.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching, and please let me know in the comments what results you are getting with this approach. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.